Hello, Jutta family. Look who's standing up and not falling over. Now, little Mister here's had his food. Irma is surprisingly fussy for a starved dog. She's eaten already. She has had her medication, and I give a little top up just because she's had the pills. She's on 3 different pills. She's on Zilapur for maintenance. Hello, baby. Oh, you're being precious, darling, and you don't want it. How it's, look, very good pieces of chicken. Riley's very interested. Yeah, she is surprisingly fussy for a dog that is starved. She will not have anything but boiled chicken. And sometimes Royal Canin mother and baby puppy food, which is what Riley is on. She still looks very sad. She's on IV fluids. But she's standing up. I am so chuffed. I have a lot of hope for this baby girl. She couldn't even sit up before. She couldn't do it. She is on Hemovet, which is iron tablets. She's on Zilapur, and she's on antibiotics. And fingers crossed, slowly, slowly. Look at this little girl, bless. Riley, don't be nasty, and do not pull her cannula out like you did before. Wanna go wee-wee? She's learned to use a pee pad. She's very intelligent, Riley. She doesn't want you to play with her. You wait for Ben. Ben is having a shower and he'll be here in a minute. He is so full of life. He's had his first parvo vaccine. And him and Ben play in spite of the huge size. Leave her tail alone, leave it, sweetheart, leave it. You wanna go wee-wee, my love? Hey, she's so gentle, very intelligent. Thank you to all who donated towards the vet bills for this girl. She's seen the vet numerous times, and she really needs it. Precious puppy. Thank you, Jutta family. Bye-bye for now.